from RF-SMART. This is Taking Inventory, a podcast all about better controlling your supply chain and improving inventory management. And now, your host, Sarah Archer.
Welcome to Take 5 with Taking Inventory, where in 5 minutes, give or take, we give you an update about something that you need to know about. So today I've got Wayne Wilmoth with me. He is a member of our NetSuite sales team, and he is going to give us some updates about some very important happenings in the world of FDA regulations. So Wayne, what do our customers need to know about?
They need to know that these regulations, as it appears, are now going to go into effect November of 2023. So what this entails is if you are a pharmaceutical company or you sell or distribute pharmaceutical products, when you buy products at the case level and then inside the case, there's individual units. Many of those units have a lot number as well as a serial number that has to be tracked.
So why is that important for RF-SMART customers? Why do they need to know about this?
So when you think about a WMS, the WMS job is to validate what you're selling or what you said you were going to sell is in fact what that customer received. And so the system needs to be able to know, let's use the example of a case, a product is picked, that yes, this was the lot number. And inside of that case, let's say there were 24 individual units that all had 24 different serial numbers. The WMS needs to also validate that, yes, these were the serial numbers that were picked.
And how does RF-SMART work to help with these regulations?
So when we do a fulfillment transaction in NetSuite, we are already collecting that information that is validating that. But NetSuite, as it stands, only has an item record that is either lot controlled or serialized. And so when you say, well, this item has both attributes, RF-SMART has the ability now to collect both of those attributes so you can see them in NetSuite and report to your customer, hey, this is what I sent. And you're confident that if the FDA was going to do an inspection, that the information is accurate.
So this is going into effect November of 2023. So as you're listening to this, you need to be making preparation. If you are not currently using RF-SMART, or maybe you're using RF-SMART, but you're not taking advantage of this functionality, Wayne, what should they do in order to get in touch with us?
You can always reach out to our website. We have the ability to request information. One of our members would reach out to you directly to set up a call. That's probably the quickest way. And our team is well versed in what is required here and can have these levels of conversations with you. So you won't be speaking with a company that has no idea what you're asking for. We can certainly help you.
You can also email info@rfsmart.com and we'll get back to you. If you're a current customer and you've got an account executive that you're working with and you want to get this functionality enabled, you can reach out to that account executive as well. Wayne, thank you so much for joining us and letting us know about these new regulations. For those of you who are listening, make sure you subscribe so you get more of these updates as they come out. You can subscribe anywhere you listen to podcasts like Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Google, or at our website at rfsmart.com/podcast, where you can use our email subscription service. Thanks again to Wayne for being here, and we'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.